Development Manager for TD Synapse Maverick. I'm here at ISE to share some highlights from this year's show. Logitech are a Swiss company focused on innovation and quality. They're market leaders in products in the gaming space, peripherals, such as mice and keys, and the video collaboration sector with conference cameras, business headsets, and webcams. Sustainability is also a huge focus for Logitech, and they build their products with a better future for our planet in mind, using recycled plastics. In fact, this wall here is made of 100% recycled plastic. It's really impressive. I'm responsible for Logitech video collaboration at TD Synapse Maverick, and Logitech has recently launched a very exciting new product, the RallyBoard 65. RallyBoard 65 is the ultimate all-in-one solution for modern collaboration. It combines 4K video, crystal clear audio, and AI-powered features, all integrated into a 65-inch touchscreen display. This will be the biggest VC launch from Logitech this year, and I can't wait to see it in person. If you haven't seen it for yourself yet, stock will be coming soon to TD Synapse Maverick. Another new product which has been introduced is Logitech Spot, a room sensor that detects the health of the rooms and feeds the information back into Logitech Sync. Simply peel and stick it onto the wall with a battery powered for up to 4 years. Another new product which Logitech have announced recently is Logitech Streamline. This kit is a USB PTZ video solution for engaging hyflex teaching and presentations in large spaces. It's ideal for the education market and delivering an effective learning experience for students. It's a busy week here at ISE for Logitech. Not only do they have the stand to visit, but they're delivering a series of technical training to channel partners at the show. TD Synapse are super proud to co-sponsor this year's Logitech Video Cup installation, where the final is taking place here at ISE. Our teams are supporting local resellers, and friendly competition is taking place within TD Maverick. It's a creative and exciting event where partners are competing for the title of Video Cup Installation Champion. Which region will be victorious? Logitech has a wide portfolio of products supporting the hybrid workforce, ensuring every space is equipped with the latest technology. Whether that's meeting rooms, satellite offices, office desks, or home desks, Logitech has you covered. What a week it's been here at ISE with TD Synapse Maverick and Logitech. Hopefully you enjoyed this video showing some of the highlights of the show. Thanks for watching and see you next year.